Okay, so good day everyone. So for today's laboratory, we're going to perform the disassemble and assemble of system unit. So before we're going to start disassembling and assembling of our system unit, so we need to check first for the functionality of our system unit. Okay, so make sure that the system unit is connected to your this one, the UPS, okay, for safety purposes. Okay, so these are the tools that we need to use in order for us to disassemble and assemble of our system unit. So we have the drivers, we have the flat screw, and we have the star screw. We have also this one, the anti-static wrist strap, and then we have also the placement. Okay, so before we're going to do the disassembling and assembling of our system unit, we're going to check for the system unit if it is functional or not. So one way to check if your system unit is functional or not is that there will be a LED indicator here at the power. So you will if it will turn on, then that means that your system unit is okay. And also we have here at the back, so we have also the fan here. Okay, so if this will turn on, that means that your system unit is okay. And lastly, we have the screen. Okay, so this screen, if it will show the operating system that we are using, then that means that the system unit is functional. Okay, so let us check if our system unit is functional. So first, we're going to turn on our UPS. Okay, then the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to turn on our system unit. Okay, so let us see if it is okay. So as I said, there are three indicators that your system unit is okay. Number one, you have the LED indicator. Then you have number two, you have the screen. Okay, your screen, if your screen is working. Okay, so far our screen is working, that means the system unit is okay. And also the third indicator is we have the fan here, so this should be functional. So if you are going to touch the outer portion of this fan so you can feel the air, so that means that is okay. Okay, so we are going to remove our screws at the back of your system unit. Okay, and then we're going to put our system unit like this, and then we're going to remove the cover. Okay, just slide this covering. Okay, so we can see now what is inside our system unit. Okay, so we're going to remove this one by one. Then we're going to use this screw, okay, to unlock all those materials that are attached to our system unit. Okay, so see to it that your anti-static wrist strap is attached to any metallic, so we're going to touch it here. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the wires here that are connected to the different parts of your system units. Okay, so we're going to remove the wires. Okay, so we have here, also this one. Okay, so we have already detached the wires. Okay, so the first thing what we're going to remove is this one. Okay, so we have the power supply, so we're going to use the screwdriver to remove our power supply. Okay, so we're going to place our screws here. Okay, so we have here a power supply. Okay, so next we're going to remove the hard disk. Okay, so this is the hard disk. Okay, let's place it here. Okay, we're going to remove the motherboard. That is now our video card. Okay, so after removing our motherboard, so this is now our motherboard. Okay, so attach in your motherboard, so the different wires, we have this wire. Okay, this wire is the wire for the audio, and this one is for the speaker. And okay, so we have now this one for the USB. Okay, this one now is for your power. Okay, so take note that this is color coded, so make sure that it is attached correctly. So you need to memorize the color coding, because if you mistakenly attach this will not function. Okay, so make sure that you're able to memorize the different color configurations when you are going to remove this one. Okay, so let's remove this one. Okay, this is for the power. Okay, this one is for, okay, but the good thing about this one is that when you're going to connect this one, this is it has same figure, so you will not lose when it comes to reconnecting this one. Okay, this one. Okay, so now we are able to detach our wires from our motherboard. Okay, so this is now our motherboard. We're going to place it here. Okay, so after disassembling, so we're going to arrange our the items that we have disassembled in our system unit. Then after that, make sure that you're going to list down. Okay, you're going to have an inventory of all the parts of your system unit. You're going to write here all the parts, and also make sure that the screws, okay, are in group, so that later on when you're going to return the screws in its proper places, you will not be confused, okay, of the different screws. And also, okay, this is now our video card. We have this okay, this is our fan, and this is now our speaker. Okay, this is now our power supply. This is now our hard disk. Okay, and this is now our DVD drive. Okay. Okay, so after returning your motherboard, so we're going to return now this wire, so see to it that it is placed properly. Okay, this is for the USB. Okay, so this is for the power. Okay, for reset. Okay, so we're now able to return. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to return the video card. Okay, so okay. Okay, so then we're going to return our this one. Okay, we heard now the hard drive. Okay, so after returning the hard drive, next, the last thing that we're going to return is this one. We have the power supply. Okay. Okay, so after turning on the power supply, so we are going to return all the wires. Okay, so this one is here. Okay, then we have this one is here. Okay, for the fan. Then we have, okay, this one is here for your this drive, and this one is for your power supply for your hard drive. Okay, and also this one is connected here. And this is connected here. And this one and this one. Okay, so this one is connected here. Okay, and this one. Okay, so we have the okay, so we have now the connections, and then we're going to return now our covering. So first the other side. Okay, and then next going to here. Okay, then we're going to return the screw. Okay, so after we assemble our system unit, we're going to check if the system unit is functional. So let's check. Okay, let's put this one, our supply. Also here, our VGA for our monitor. Then let's turn it on. Okay. Okay, so if you can hear, so the fan is turning on. So that means that we have assembled it correctly. Okay, and then let us wait for our, okay, if you can see, okay, let's wait for our monitor. Like if you can see, the monitor is displaying on the screen. That means that we have correctly assembled our the parts of our system unit. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for your time and listening. Have a nice day.